In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to add links to your Instagram stories. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm right here inside of my Instagram account, and this is how you add a link to your Instagram stories. So I'm going to create a new story post. I'm going to load in something of mine here. Let's just go with this image right here. Now to add a link to the story post and enable that swipe up feature, you got to click here up top on those two little rings that are connected together. Click there and then click on URL. Unless you're linking it to an IGTV video, then you can click there and it will allow you to link it to an IGTV video. If you're just linking it to something else, any other URL, click on that URL right there and then just simply paste the URL. Click done. Now that URL is linked to this story post, so when anybody swipes up, they will be taken to that destination. And it's that simple. The complicated part of being able to add a link to your story is that you have to have 10,000 followers. That's how you're able to unlock the swipe up feature. So no chance of using it, well, at least not now. Maybe they'll roll it out to everybody in the future, but as of right now, you can only add links to your Instagram stories if you have 10,000 followers or more. And I've made an entire Instagram series showing you exactly how you can do that. I did it with my personal account in 10 months, and I'm in the process of doing it with another account that's currently at just about 6,000 followers, and I've done that in only 2 months. So another month and a half or so, and that one's gonna clear 10K. So strategies that actually work. These are real legit ways to grow real followings, real followers, completely legitimate, no BS, no fake, nothing, just completely legit. So go check out the entire series that I made on how to grow an Instagram following and how to monetize an Instagram following. And as you go through that series and start building up your following, you'll get to 10K followers, and then you'll be able to add links to your Instagram stories.